guys, Union padlock in here from Size Naughty Bucket. There's the bit in on the key. This has got some sort of a spring on it. Even when the shackle's not popped. And it's even harder to get it back in. There we go, she's all locked up. A little bit loose, but we'll see if it can see if it can work. It's very light tension. I'll fish around and see what's in coming up. Pick's just a little bit tight in here actually. Yeah, I'm just getting it jammed. This is me, totally organised as always. Never got anything I want when I want it, where I want it. Not sure this one will be any better actually. Oh yeah, seems to be. Don't know what that is. Maybe the Attila or something, just with a different handle. No, that bastard's jamming as well. So you're not even in focus in the bloody camera. Oh, I can't see through that. Let's try that. Jeez, have I got a fucking pick that likes fitting the goddamn. Okay. I don't think there's got enough lift on it. If I can finally find out what get fits in, and there's not enough lift. No, I'm not sure it has got quite enough lift to get to the back one. Shame, because it fits in the... Oh, I'll take it all back. I think that baby's gone. Yep. There you go. Picked with the Marvellous Daz Evers pick. Thanks for watching, guys.